Okay, everyone, we created our 5 exercise tool. Let's go and create our 5 exercise. Okay, we created and we are going to create our 6 exercise. There are 4 exercise. If you want, you can escape them and jump to the another part what we are going to create them to for you to master the 4. Okay, let me just bold it. Factorial. Some of you may know what factorial is and some of you may don't know. We just search it a little. Today's exercise is to create a factorial. These pictures are good. This is a good picture for you to understand what is factorial is. Factorial is just the product of all the positive integers starting with n and counting backward to 1. 2 factorial is 2 multiplied by 1, 3 factorial is 3 or 2 or 1, and go like this. And the factorial of 0 is 1. Okay, let's go and try to create a factorial. I tell you, you pause the video and try to do it by yourself. And after solving the problem by yourself, come and continue watching the video. Because in this way, you become a better programmer. Okay, now let's start it. At first we have n input, but before that int input, because we are inputting a number, please enter your number and then it's okay. We run it, everything is fine. Okay, now we want to ask a question. Why in factorial we have some expectations here? We must say if n equal to 0, print the factorial of n is what? You can guess, is 1. Now let's run it. For example, let's give it 0. Okay, it's working great, but what if else happened? For example, in else, let's say what happened in else. Else, we write it. In else happened, we need to write it for x in range n. Okay, what we say, we create a number here and put this name here is answer, and it's equal to 1. For x in range, answer is equal to answer plus multiplied by n plus 1. And we here copy that. Let me put it back. It must be here. Okay, a little space. Okay, please, the answer for n is answer. Now let's run it. For example, give it 5. The code is running. Write y. Can anyone guesses what is the problem with the code? Let's just run the answer here to see what is the problem is. Answer, print answer here. Let's run it. For example, for 5, the first time answer is 1. Answer is 1. Answer is equal to n plus 1. 1 multiplied by 2 is 3. The answer you must print is 3, but why it's giving us 1 in the answer? Can any of you guess what is the problem is? I can't find out either the problem is. Let me just copy this line of text, code and paste it here to debug it. For now, let's just print x here. Let's see what x we have. Print x. We have 0, 1. You find that what is the problem is? The problem is that we need to make the answer 1. Let me just make the answer is equal to 1 here. Okay. Now let's run it. It's a 0, right? And then 1. It's the first time answer is 1. 1. We must put x here, not n. This is the problem we created. Now let me run it and put the x here. This is going to solve every problem. Let me just, for example, 5. It's going to solve the problem, I guess. Let's run it again. The factorial of 5 is 120. It's the right answer because of what? Because the factorial of 5 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's 120. Let's change something else. 6. It's also the right answer. Okay, what is the problem that we created that make everything hard for us is that we must put x here to x go from 1 to 6, but we put n here and that make our code wrong. Okay, I guess everyone understand this lesson because we do more exercise about the 4. Because of that, I don't give any more explanation. But if you have any question, just ask me in the comments. I will absolutely see them and answer them. Until the next lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good time. See you.